Starting a YouTube channel today may require you to be more intentional than it was years ago. Reason being that whereas the platform has created many millionaires to date than any other social network, competition has more than tripled. According to data, there are about 61 million YouTube channels around the globe. So how do you stand out to build a successful YouTube career and beat the competition? In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 pointers that I believe will put you ahead of the competition. They are basically subdivided into 3 chapters. Chapter 1, which talks about deciding the kind of content to make. Chapter 2 is making the content. And then chapter 3 is getting more views for your videos and widening your YouTube business as a whole. Pointer number 10 is my absolute best. So make sure to hang around so that you don't miss the gist. That said, let's go into the video. Chapter 1, deciding on what kind of content to make. Chapter 1.1 is niching down. This is the most important of them all. As a human being, you can't be 100% pure or perfect at everything. The cheat code of YouTube is doing that you're best at, love to do, and people love to watch. And let's not forget, a YouTube channel is like a particular program on a TV station. Think this like CNN. Richard Quest of Quest Means Business may not perform best hosting Wolf Blitzer's Station Room, and the opposite is true. So how do you pick a niche, you may wonder? Start by listing down all the things that you love and can do, then narrow them down to the things that you can do for a very long time without losing interest and getting tired. After that, get feedback from the intended viewers about the things that they love to watch the most from your list. You can do this through opinion polls on social media or doing online surveys through websites like surveymonkey.com, etc. What the poll says is your new niche. Chapter 1.2. Know how different factors affect your pay on YouTube. There are 3 major factors that affect how much money you make on YouTube. Number 1, your niche. Number 2, the ages of your viewers. Number 3, the location of your viewers. From time to time, you notice that your 1,000 views are paying differently compared to another YouTuber's 1,000 views. Knowing these facts ahead of time will help you to know how to do your content so that you get the most out of it. Let me quickly explain the 3 factors. Number 1, your niche. The highest paying niches, and you can actually pause this and screenshot this, are how to make money online, finance, technology, travel, digital marketing, health, wealth, investing, real estate, cars, insurance, makeup, DIY videos, tutorials, and legal. The least paying niches are pranks, scary videos, gaming, top 10 videos, etc. This therefore means that if you plan to do prank videos, for example, you can package your content well enough so that you get several thousands of views from your videos so that you square well with those who are making videos in high paying niches. The second one is location of your viewers. You can screenshot these too. Views from these countries pay the most. 1, Australia. 2, United States. 3, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Jordan, Norway, and Europe as a whole. The beauty with YouTube, however, is that you can grow a channel which is being viewed globally irrespective of where you are from. It all just depends on how you package your content. And then the third one is the ages of your viewers. Older viewers will make you more money as compared to the younger one. It's really because the older viewers have a much more purchasing power for the ads YouTube runs on our videos as compared to the younger one. And then we bounce to chapter 2, which is making the content. Chapter 2.1 is making the videos. Whereas everyone tells you that you should start in any way you are, and so it should rightly be, but truth is, know that the platform has immense competition. And I'm not saying this to scare you, but to ready you. The better quality your videos are, the easier it is for success. Obviously, I'm not saying that you shouldn't start if you don't have sophisticated equipment. Quality by YouTube standards means the following in their order. A, which is audio. This is the most important. People can watch you on for as long as they can actually hear you. 2, which is lighting. This actually comes in at number 2 after the audio. 3, which is the picture, the video, or the footage itself. Now you have to fear not, because a base iPhone 11 model can actually give you great footage for your YouTube channel. Obviously, depending on the kind of content you're doing, any phone can actually do. If you're doing village content, for instance, a $120 phone may be just as fine. Travel content too may also not need sophisticated equipment, especially in the start, because viewers are literally okay with those natural views that they watch through your lenses. 4 is editing. The quality of edits is important as well. You may start out as your own editor since you're just starting out, or hire an editor either part-time or full-time. I kid you not, you can get an editor for $15 for a 10 to 15 minutes video. And I'm not talking about those on Fiverr or even Upwork. I'm talking about editors out there who have built their portfolio doing this job, and they are doing it very nicely. Usually, it could serve you to a better advantage if you paint the vision for the editor and tell them that you'll grow together, and as you grow, you'll keep increasing their pay to match up the pays that big creators actually pay. Pointer number 2 under chapter 2 is creating evergreen content. Ask yourself, will your video be relevant 1, 2, 3, 4 years from today? If yes, then go ahead and press record. Sometimes YouTube videos get hundreds, if not millions of views, months or even years after they are uploaded. Content about current affairs, epidemics, and pandemic may not be such green content. For example, a video on how to start a YouTube channel may be more green as compared to a video on how to wear this most expensive $1.5 million COVID mask manufactured by the Youre Design Center in Israel. Pointer number 3 under chapter 2, create content of what you're already achieving. There is a saying that facts tell, but stories sell. People, in this case viewers, are more inclined to watch content about personal experiences than they are about generic content. If, for example, I do a video on how I make $1,000 per month, I would predictably get more views on that video than if I did a video on how to make $1,000 per month online. The former is a more relatable video than the latter, because I'm taking the viewer through my personal experience. Your viewers want to relate with you. You are growing a community. If you're already an interior designer, for instance, you could do a video and profile for the viewers how you execute an interior design with minimum resources, how you execute an interior design for small spaces, for instance, the do's and don'ts of interior designing from your perspective, how much interior designers make, how much you charge for doing what you do, etc. This example can be applied to any niche. Simply copy and paste these ideas for your niche, film them, and upload them. And now that brings me to the sponsor of this video, the YouTube Millionaire Kit. The YouTube Millionaire Kit is a kit designed by me and my team that helps you to start your YouTube career and start making money on day one. Has prefigured out for you products like SaaS, websites, Discord channels, mobile apps, etc. that you can launch to scale your business to multiple 4, 5, 6, or 7 figures per month of monthly recurring revenue or annual recurring revenue. It features 20 best niches that you can do, explained on how you can do them with a 4-week game plan on how you can get your first 1,000 subscribers, 10 tested video ideas for each of the 20 niches, 10 pre-designed thumbnails for each of the 10 videos for each of the 20 niches. You only need to make a few edits in Canva to customize them for your YouTube channel. They are also A and B tested. Scripts for each of the 10 videos for the 20 niches. Recommended for you equipment that can film videos in your niche. An ebook template designed for each of the 20 niches to help you make passive income on day one of you launching your YouTube channel. You'll simply edit, put them on sale, and immediately you can start making money on day one. Affiliate marketing sources for each of your niches so that you can start making money on day one. Templates on how to pitch brands for brand deals. A free productivity planner for your YouTube channel. At the time of filming this video, the Millionaire Kit is still being designed. Jump onto my newsletter. I'll contact you as soon as it's launched. Link in the description box below. So, number 4, under chapter 2, make a series out of your content. You saw creators like Phidias who stayed out of SpaceX and Twitter headquarters until he met Elon Musk. Jordan Welch, who filmed his 0 to millionaire in 30 days and posted a video every single day of the 30 days. What doing content in series does is that it keeps the viewer eagerly waiting for the next video. Isn't that what television does to us? For instance, if you watch Suits Season 1, you want to watch Season 2 so bad that you're ready to watch it on its day of release. Season 3, and so on. In content creation, that is called retention. As you learn with time, the more you retain a viewer, the more you make money. Pointer number 5 under chapter number 2 is make your videos longer than 10 minutes. This is because all platforms, be it Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc., thrive if viewers stay much longer on their platforms. As a matter of fact, they don't care if you spend a full day and achieve nothing for yourself. What does that mean as a creator? That YouTube will automatically promote more of your longer videos than it will for your shorter videos. As you learn as you go on, you can place more ads on your longer videos and make even much more money. Also, longer videos help you to get your watch time much quicker. Disclaimer, the content should actually be worthy. Don't merely push a would-be 3 minutes video to over 10 minutes just because I recommended it. It should really be worthy for the viewer. It should give them value. Chapter 3 is really after making the content, like what do you do after making the content. Pointer number 1 under chapter 3 is have and add metadata on your videos. Metadata are simply tags. These help to tell YouTube what kind of channel yours is, so that it can promote it to the intended audience. The YouTube algorithm knows which viewers are interested in real estate, which viewers are interested in stocks, which viewers are interested in food, and etc. It knows this by their viewing history. Using tags on your videos helps to tell the algorithm what your channel is about so that it can push it to the right viewers. Pointer number 2 under chapter 3 is don't leave views on the table. Make sure to promote your videos on your social media, on your YouTube community tab, use end cards, etc. I propose for every creator to have a WhatsApp channel, to interact with their community, and always share their YouTube video links in their WhatsApp channels. Pointer number 3 under chapter 3, my absolute best, is think of how you'll make money from day one of your YouTube channel. This always creates the biggest difference for most creators. A 100 subscriber channel can make $1,000 per month, while a 1,000 subscriber channel may make $50 per month. Most creators focus on only AdSense, which is money paid directly by YouTube, and forget that there are more ways of monetizing your content and your audience. Some of these are 1. Selling merch to your audience, creating and selling digital products, e.g. ebooks, courses, etc., affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships or brand deals, memberships, driving your audience to third-party sites, e.g. a mobile app, a Discord channel, a Telegram channel, a website for monthly recurring revenue or annual recurring revenue, consultancies, commissions, etc. With that said, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.